Hello guys, today we are going to discuss about ReconNG, which is an information gathering tool. Okay, so we can access ReconNG by typing recon-ng. Okay, so this will access the tool. Now we can look for help. Okay, help, and we can see all the commands that we can use in this ReconNG tool. We can check by typing help space the topic to get the help. Okay, let's look for help workspaces. Okay, so you can see all this commands is possible with the workspace command. Okay, we can create list and load and remove things with the workspace command. Okay, so first we have to create a workspace so that we can add a domain into it, and then we look for all the possible hosts associated with the domain. Okay, so in order to create a workspace, we have to enter workspace space create, then the name what we like to give. Okay, so here I am giving ETH simply for ethical hacking. Okay, now in order to list the workspaces, we can simply give workspaces space list. Okay, so you can see the ETH that we have created has been added to the list. Okay, now that we have created the workspace, we have to add a domain in which we want to perform the network reconnaissance. Okay, so for that we have to enter the command db space insert domains. Okay, to add the domains for network reconnaissance. Okay, simply press enter, and we have to give the name of the domain on which we want to perform the reconnaissance. Okay, so here I am giving google.com as the domain name, and just simply press enter. Now let's check if the domain name has been created or not. For that we have to give the command show space domains. Okay, so here you can see the google.com has been added to the domains. Okay, now that we have added the domains, we need to find the module which is responsible for the brute forcing. Okay, for that we will use the command modules space load brute. Okay, to find all the modules which is responsible for brute forcing. Okay, so we will enter module space load brute. Okay, so here we can see recon/domains -hosts brute hosts. Okay, so we are going to use this module for brute forcing the domain. Okay, so let's load that module space load recon/domains -host. Okay, now we have to run this, so simply enter run and press enter. Okay, so we can see it is brute forcing our domain to find the hosts associated with it. Okay, so we can see the here 279 hosts has been discovered. Okay, we can also use Bing for this purpose. Okay, the Bing will additionally add some hosts to this list. Okay, so let's look how that is done. Okay, for that we have to the same step, we have to check for the modules responsible for the brute forcing, and we have to just replace that domain/hosts/ and then not brute force, we have to give Bing underscore domain underscore that web. Okay, and again run. So it will add to that hosts list an additional. Okay, we can see here that 7 new hosts has been found. Okay, command to get the list of the hosts that we have gathered till now. Okay, now let's go back, and we can also use the module reporting to get a report of this host. Okay, so we are loading that modules load reporting, and you can see reporting/html. Okay, so we are going to use that module to get report in HTML. Okay, so we are going to load that module space load reporting/html, and we have to give the file name and the path. Okay, option set file name and the path, and the name results.html. Now we have to give a creator name. Okay, just under options set creator, I have given the name Tim. Okay, now we have to enter a customer name. Okay, so options set customer name, and I am simply setting the customer name to Google Private Limited. Okay, hit enter. Now just simply run this command. Okay, so you can see it has been added to our desktop. Okay, results.html. Let's try opening it with Firefox. You can see oh, sorry for that spelling mistake, Google Private Limited. Okay, and under summary we can see all the results and domains we have scanned, and then the host. Okay, which lists all the host name associated with that domain. Okay, so if you like this video, please like, share and subscribe. Okay, thanks for watching.